Okay, hello guys. It is me, remember from my Nerf Armory one who Ivy Beckham posted. So I'm doing the review on Nerf gun. Double shot, which I'm holding my hands now. Get closer.
Yeah, I can see.
Okay, so let's start with something. First we can start is the reloading. Actually, if you have one of these and you trying to get information about it, where do you go? When you bought the box of the double shot, there is some bullet, something like this, and a shell. You just have to insert it. A spring like this, okay, and then you cock it and you reshoot. You look at the one, okay.
Okay.
1, 2.
Whoa.
It was awesome. Okay. After you shoot it, this is one of my favorite part. You can also cock it like this.
Oh, I didn't take the bullets.
Okay. So since that you can do that, so it's one of the favorite features that the double shot can do. And then you also can load some extra ammo in this box today. Now, if you're wondering why I have 4 bullets in this box, it's because I add extra ammo to this double shot. Yeah. Actually, when you bought it, and you have the box, you open it and you see only 2 bullets. But that doesn't mean I bought the special one. I bought the original one, but I added extra 2 bullets. That's what I'm saying. So yeah, this the both favorite things that. Wait, I didn't know how many numbers of favorite things I like with that. So just please, thank you.